Coming up on TLDR from GeekWire. What Europe's new privacy law means for US companies. GetAround launches in Seattle with a transportation service that's kind of like Airbnb for cars. And a look at the newly renovated Space Needle. From GeekWire, it's TLDR, our news rundown on all things tech and other geekiness. Companies all over the world are rushing to prepare for Europe's new privacy law. The European Union's new General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, takes effect Friday. GDPR establishes some of the most rigorous data privacy laws in the world, and they apply to any company with customers in the EU, which means many American tech companies are spending long hours making sure their products comply with the law. It's estimated that Fortune's Global 500 companies will spend about $7.8 billion on GDPR compliance. So here are some of the key requirements. Companies have to build tools that allow users to review their stored personal information. They must allow users to delete, correct, or move their data. Companies must notify authorities of data breaches within 72 hours, and those that fail to comply can be fined up to 4% of their annual revenue, or 20 million euros, whichever is greater. Now, that last requirement is the reason why many companies are in a rush to comply by Friday's deadline. To put that in perspective, a 4% fine on Microsoft's 2017 revenue would be $3.6 billion. For Amazon, $7 billion. Many companies are making the changes globally, so this doesn't just impact EU customers. In other news, the car-sharing service GetAround has expanded to Seattle. With GetAround, you can rent your car to neighbors without having to exchange keys. In the app, users can find a car, make a reservation, and unlock the car without ever meeting the owner. In newer models, the driver can just push to start, but in older cars, the keys are kept in the vehicle. GetAround is based in San Francisco, but operates in more than a dozen cities, including LA and Washington, D.C. The service starts at $5 an hour for a basic sedan, but a Porsche would run closer to $20 an hour. GetAround says that people who rent their cars on the service make about $500 a month. And finally, parts of the newly renovated Space Needle were revealed for the first time. The ongoing Century project is a $100 million renovation of the Space Needle's top house. Tourists from around the world were at the Needle on Thursday morning to take in the views, including these honeymooners from Scotland.
The benches are made so that they pitch back and you lean against the glass, and that's to give you the feeling that you're floating 520 feet above the ground.
We've also uploaded a separate video with a more in-depth look at the Space Needle renovation, so make sure to check that out. And while you're at it, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes of TLDR. I'm Starla Sampako. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.